you think you're doing, sir?
What do I think of that? That's what I think of that.
Geode, you are not helpful, sir. Cat. What do you think you're doing? Being a problem, that's what. This is going nowhere.
You little Ammonite stealer.
It's a good thing I don't actually use that paintbrush.
Geode.
Like when you're helpful. Today you are not being helpful. Who am I kidding? You're never helpful. Apparently I'm done making this video. No, you can't have that. Sure, I guess that's yours now.
Love you, Geode.